Hi, my name is Yash and I belong from Delhi. I have completed my BTech in Computer Science and Engineering from BMU in 2021 to 25 batch. Like how Unisphere came into existence. So when we were in our second year, we were having multiple applications for different things. Like for gate pass, different application. For laundry, different application. For mess menu, different application. For marks checking, different application. So we came up with this motive. So why not we built something which is one application for all the things. We name it Unisphere, and our motto was your all-in-one campus companion. Faculty has always helped us because an application with such a vast ideology cannot be built only with technical. Like I know, I'm from BTech, for application building it only needs coding, but for building Unisphere it also requires management. So there SM faculties came who taught us how to manage a team, how to manage the funds which we are getting, and then we had technical faculties who told us where to go in the tech format, which all frameworks are good to go, which all databases, which all backends, how to write clean code, deans, faculties, program office, and then came the external mentors outside the university who are industry professionals. They told us how the programs are accepted in the worldwide, how to write production codes. So those was all our environment which was created for us, a safe environment to prepare the production level ready application.